Great for summertime or anytime. Broccoli salad. This cold salad comes together in a snap using the F&Sharp paring knife because it's easiest to handle when getting into all these little branches of the broccoli head. Once you've broken down the broccoli heads, go ahead and take the tip of the knife and work into the florets, breaking it down even further into bite-sized pieces. Don't throw away the stems. Go ahead and cut off the outermost layer and save those to be steamed or boiled. A little salt and pepper. They're so tender and absolutely delicious. Some sharp grated cheddar cheese. Make sure to grate yours fresh. Then we'll take some cooked bacon, the only thing you'll cook in this recipe, and just give that a rough chop into a bowl with some mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, salt, sugar, and fresh cracked pepper. Give that a mix and set it aside into that large bowl. Add your bacon, the sharp cheddar cheese, a bit of that dressing. Give it a good toss, but fold gently. And then some red onion, super mild, a little bit sweet, adds a ton of flavor. You don't have to add much. A little goes a long way. We're just gonna finely dice this. You can totally omit this. You can add a little or a lot, just depending on your taste, into the fridge to chill. And make sure to visit fnsharp.com.